Welcome students. In a previous video we have seen how to use the basic format of the HTML and introduction of the HTML. Okay. Now in this tutorial we will learn heading tags. Okay. There are 6 heading tags available in the HTML. H1 is the highest heading tag. The smaller one of the H1 is H2, then the smaller H3, then smaller H4, then the smaller H5, and the smallest heading tag is H6. Now how to use heading tags? To use any heading tags we have to write h and then specific name like 1 2 3 4 or 5 or 6. Okay, there are h1 to h6. 6 heading tags are available in the HTML. Now we have to close the h1 tag after opening it. So between h1 and slash h1 you can write any content that will affect like this. So h1 is highest heading tag. It will appear like this. Now h2 is the smaller than h1. h3 is smaller than h2. H4 is smaller than H3. Similarly, H6 will be smaller than H5, so that the highest heading tag is H1 and the smallest heading tag is H6. Okay, so let's convert it into the our HTML. And how to write this HTML? So first we will open it. Okay, our site which we have already worked in previous lecture, but we are not going to use that one. We will create new one. So what to do? Just click on file and click on new. Okay, now before we proceed we have to save it. So where to save? As you know, we have to create one folder. In that we will save all the documents. Okay, so here we will save it. And what to type here? We will type here headings dot html and then click on save. Okay, now you can see our file is saved. Now as we know, starting from html, either you can type capital or small. It can be anything, capital, small, anything. Okay, now press enter. Now we will type in a proper format. So html, then press tab key, then inside that type head. Okay, then press enter. Now again press tab key. Inside that we will press title, title. Now inside that we'll type here demo of heading tags. H will be capital, heading tags. Okay, now we have to close title, so slash title. Now press enter. We have to close heading tag, so slash head. Now we are going to start the body tag, so we will type here body. Now insert that we can also, you know, that we can type the background color also. So before that we will close the body tag. Okay, and after that we will close the HTML. See students, make practice like this kind of formatting. Okay, first we have to make formatting entire thing. Now then we can type anything here. Now we are going to change the background color of our body tag. Okay, so here we will type bg color, bgcolor is equals to inverted comma. We can type any color. Right now I want to make a black color, so it will be black. Now press Ctrl S and F5 from the keyboard. See here the demo of heading text is there with the black color. Right now if you want to change any color like green, then you can type a green also. Press Ctrl S then F5, it can be affected. Okay, but if you want more colors, then I have made one ppt for that. You can see here, you can type also say this kind of numbers also for the black. 6 times 0, 1 2 3, 6 times 0. For cyan you can type also like this. See, you can type like this also, like if you want to make color like violet, right? So for the violet we can type here in a capital letter. We can type here hash sign. Okay, and then it will be hash sign will be followed with cyan. Okay, cyan will be followed by double zero, double f, and sorry, first it will be double zero 4 times f. Okay, now press Ctrl S and F5. You can see cyan is there, right? So students, you can make any combination of the colors using these kind of things. Okay, if you want to pink, then you can type this format, but it should be inverted comma inside the inverted comma. Okay, now what to do? We are going to use heading tags. So how to use heading tags? So tab key is there, right? H1, it is the highest heading tag. Okay, you can type in capital or small. Here whatever content we want to type, you can type here. I want to type this content, but after that we have to close these heading tags. Okay, Now press Ctrl S and F5. Yeah, this is the highest heading tags. Okay, now again press enter. Second heading tag H2 is there. We are going to type same. Okay, and then we have to close it by using /h2. Press Ctrl S and move to here and press F5. See, you can see the changes inside this. Now what to do? Just copy this one. Okay, copy and press enter. Now change the numbers, like H2 will change by H3 and H2 again will be changed by H3, right? Now press Ctrl S and move to here by pressing F5. Might be thinking about how I am switching between two windows. So for that you have to use Alt and Tab key to switch between the windows. Okay students, now press Ctrl V because we already copied it. So here change by 4 and again it will be changed by 4. Press Ctrl S, Alt Tab to switch that, and press F5 to refresh the web browser. Okay, now again we are going to for the heading tag number 5, and we will change by 5 here, and again it will be changed by 5. Now press Ctrl S, switch between by Alt Tab and press F5. You can see it is going to be decrease in the size, and last one H6 will be there. So here H6, and here we can type here H6 again. Now press Ctrl S, switch between by using Alt Tab and press F5. Okay, so as you know, this is the highest heading tag H1 effect. This is H2 effect, H3, H4, H5, and about H6. So we can say H1 is the highest heading tags and H6 is the smallest heading tags. And in HTML there are 6 heading tags are there: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So I hope student this is you understood it very easily. Okay, make practice of this, like print your name in H1 to H6, and you can analyze your name will be smaller, then smaller, then smaller up to H6. Okay, now after this we are going to learn paragraph tag. Okay, inside that we will learn paragraph tag. So how to use the paragraph tag, this you will find this paragraph tag in page number 2. Okay, in your textbooks you will find the paragraph tag in the page number 2. In that the rainbow is there. Okay, so we will type here only. Inside that we will type here in H1, like H1, and here we will type here in a capital letter rainbow and then /h1. Okay, now press Ctrl S and F5 so you can see here rainbow is there. Okay, now we want to type some paragraph about the rainbow. So how we can type the paragraph? So to type the paragraph we have a tag is called AP. P stands for the paragraph. Okay, now whatever you will type here inside these, it will be placed similarly on in the browser. So here you have to close the paragraph tag also. Okay, and in between we will type everything. So what to type here? It is given in our textbook, like a rainbow consists of 7 colors. Okay, so this way we can type the paragraph and press Ctrl S, switch between and press F5. See, we have typed the paragraph. Okay, so this way we can type the paragraph. But if you want to take a new line, okay, For example, if you type your enter after the R here, and then you also type press enter key after the new line and then press enter, then you can see it is remain same, because the if you want to change the paragraph you have to change by p. Okay, it will be paragraph tag is there. So if you change paragraph, if you want to create a new paragraph, you have to close it. For example, I want to make a separate paragraph for this, so I will press your slash p, then you can see. Okay, now see it is automatically taken a new line, right? But I don't want to take a new line, so press Ctrl S and move to again, it will be a new line. Okay students, so this way we can create a paragraph tag. So to create a paragraph tag we have a p tag is there. Okay, and after that we have to close the paragraph tag also. So I hope you understood this paragraph tag as well as heading tags. Okay, but see, if you want to create another paragraph, so just make a copy of this. Okay, and paste your text here, so you can save it and it will be it is automatically taking a new paragraph. Okay, so this way you can create all the paragraph tags and heading tags inside the HTML. So do some practice at home. Okay students, and I hope you understood this, and if you done this practical, then please let me know in the comment section or in the in my personal number. You can send me all your document whatever you have created. Okay students, till then, thank you and bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye.